Hello everyone, welcome to another captivating episode of Jamaica Drone Shots. Today, we're in the beautiful parish of Hanover, exploring an exciting new proposal by Richmond Estate, a name synonymous with quality and environmentally conscious housing developments in Jamaica. Richmond Estate, located in St. Ann, is one of the island's most sought-after gated communities, known for their elegant homes, lush landscaping, and thoughtful designs. They have set the standard for great housing developments in Jamaica. Richmond Development is led by the Issa family, who also own the renowned Couples Resorts in Negril. With a strong legacy in hospitality and real estate, the Issa family has consistently demonstrated their commitment to creating spaces that blend comfort, elegance, and sustainability. Today, we're heading to Cousins Cove in Hanover, where Richmond Estate has submitted a proposal for a new housing development. If approved, this project could significantly elevate the housing landscape in Hanover, a parish that has seen limited developments of this kind. Outside of Little Bay Country Club in Negril, Orange Bay Country Club that's in Orange Bay, the Orchard Housing Complex in Hopewell, and the newly constructed Ocean Point Housing Complex in Point, there are few residential communities in this area. This makes Richmond's proposal a breath of fresh air for Hanover. As we drive from the outskirts of Lucea, the parish capital, towards the proposed development site, you will get a sense of its location and how accessible it is. It's about 20 minutes from Negril and just 10 minutes from the newly opened Princess Grand Jamaica Hotel, making it an ideal spot for residents seeking proximity to work and leisure. Over this segment, we'll also show you images of Richmond Estate in St. Ann to give you an idea of the quality and style we can expect if this project gets the green light. we have actually just launched a drone at the entrance of the proposed development site along the highway. On screen, we'll quickly show you a map of the area highlighting the expanse of the land earmarked for this project. Richmond has proposed a two-phase development here, with phase 1 set to include 100 two-bedroom apartments, along with amenities such as a pool and a clubhouse. From what we have seen of their past projects, we can expect a well-planned and thoughtfully executed design that gives the priority to both functionality and aesthetics. As the drone rises higher, you'll see the site in its entirety. From above, it's clear how vast and seemingly flat this piece of land is, despite appearing as a steep hillside from the main road. The area is heavily forested, so there will be significant tree clearing required. However, Richmond's past developments suggest they value environmental preservation and integration. It's highly likely they'll incorporate green spaces and encourage residents to grow trees, maintaining a balance between development and nature. As we slowly fly over the proposed building site, it's easy to see the breathtaking surroundings. To the south, the lush rolling mountains, or should I say hillsides, provide a serene backdrop, while to the north, you are greeted by stunning views of the Caribbean Sea. The strategic location offers not just natural beauty, but also practical benefits, being close to major attractions and amenities in Negril and the Lucea, and as a matter of fact, not too far from Montego Bay either. This development has the potential to bring significant benefits to Hanover. It could attract professionals, retirees, and families looking for a modern and a secure community, boosting the local economy and raising the profile of the parish. With Richmond's reputation for excellence, we are optimistic this project will be a game changer for Cousins Cove and Hanover at large. As we conclude our tour, we'll keep you updated on any developments regarding this project. Richmond is currently awaiting approval from the relevant government agencies, and once the green light is given, we'll share more information about the timeline and the details of the construction. Thank you again for joining us on this aerial journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Jamaica Drone Shots for more exclusive tours of Jamaica's most exciting developments. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of Jamaica from the skies